Hello there, friends. My name is Dr. Coli, and today I'm going to show you how to make another game on Scratch Junior. Alright, so for the first episode, I showed you a jump game, and in the second episode, I showed you Bubble Pop. If you missed those episodes, make sure to ask an adult to play those videos for you, alright? Alright, well, today I'm going to show you game 3, which is going to be called Get the Basketball! In this game, we will have Cat and two friends try to get a basketball, which will be stuck way in the corner over here. Okay, first of all, we need a background for this game. I'm gonna select a bedroom. Alright, and I'm gonna select two friends and a basketball. Alright, so let's click on the plus button. I'm gonna select a pink chicken that one of my students drew last time. And then, how about, what could we have? Anything really. How about, how about a rabbit? Alright, so we've got a rabbit and a chicken and cat. And of course, we need a basketball. Okay, so this basketball is going to be stuck right here. And we're gonna make all of these characters move in a different way, okay? And basically, the point of the game is to get any of the characters to touch the basketball. It doesn't matter who's first because they all want to play together anyways, right? Okay, well, here we go. So for the cat, we're gonna say, "Hey cat, when I tap on you, I want you to move right." Okay. Oh, sorry guys. I made a mistake. I selected the basketball. Whoopsies. Okay, take that away. I have to select the cat. And then I have to have start on tap cat. And then move right. And then for the chicken, I'm gonna make the chicken move on its own, okay? So chicken, you're gonna move up. And you're gonna do, let's make you go forever, okay? But how about up and then left, okay? And then chicken, if you bump into anything, like if you bump into like the cat or the rabbit, I want you to send an orange message, okay? And this orange message is gonna be opened by cat. And cat is going to move up one. Okay, so let's see what happens. Start on green flag. Okay, it's making the cat move. Okay. Oh, if only the cat could get the basketball. Oh, so close. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty fun. Okay, let's make the rabbit move too, okay? So for the rabbit, I'm gonna say, "Hey rabbit, when we click on the green flag, I want you to, how about do a little hop and then maybe move right and do this forever, rabbit, will ya?" How about you wait in the middle, okay, after you hop. So, okay, let's see what happens now. Okay. Alright. We're all moving. Can anyone get the basketball? Oh, cat is so close. He needs help though. He needs to move down. Okay. Alright, so how about this? When the rabbit is moving and rabbit bumps into someone, then rabbit's gonna send a red message. Okay? Okay, last time we had the chicken send an orange message. Rabbit's sending a red message. And when cat opens a red message, let's make it go down. Okay? Let's test that. Ready? Start on green flag. Okay. Come on, Cat. Or anybody, really. Come on, let's go to the basketball. Oh, we got it. Yay. All right. Well, to show something, how about after the characters catch the basketball would be really fun, huh? Okay, so let's make another page by clicking on this plus button. And then let's select, how about the gym? Because all the characters want to play basketball, okay? And here we can write something like, hooray! Okay? Hooray! All right. And basically what we'll do is after someone touches the basketball, we'll want to go to the scene, okay? So basically what we're going to say is click on the basketball and say, hey, basketball, if you bump into anyone, let's go to the next scene, okay? So let's see how that works. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Cat. Let's go. Let's go, Cat. Yay! Hooray! All right, so here we go. Yeah, that was basically the basketball game. Guys, did you like it? All right, well, you can add even more details after this, okay? It's totally up to you. Let me show you what else I could do. For example, in the second scene, I noticed that chicken and rabbit aren't there. But remember, we decided to play all together, right? So I want to add those characters into the second scene so that they can play together. Okay, so I'm gonna select the rabbit as well. So they'll all be together. And also, there's no basketball here. I mean, they were gonna play basketball this time. So let's go and find our basketball. And yeah, there we go. It looks more like they're gonna play basketball now. And yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with it. But of course, you can add even more details. For example, you can make the cat like move or something like that, like left and right. And then you can make the chicken also move, like do a little hop. And then the rabbit could also do a little hop or something. Okay, let's make the rabbit do a little hop. And yeah, how about the basketball could also do a little hop, okay? All right, so here we go. Let's test it one more time. Let's go back to the first scene and let's start. Okay, come on, guys. Let's get the basketball. Here we go. Hooray! Alright guys, well that was our basketball game. I hope you guys liked that. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Ottiya. And we'll see you next time for another fun tutorial on Scratch Junior. Take care guys! Bye-bye!